Hi friends, so in this unboxing we will be seeing a power bank's first impression. So this one is an urbn 20,000 mAh lithium polymer power bank. This is the first time I am ever buying a power bank. I don't know why the packaging is so big again, but let me see. I will quickly unbox this. Yeah, I'm pretty sure this much big packaging is not needed for this product. I'm not sure why this has come in such a big packaging. There is nothing else inside that. I will throw away the debris. So this is it. I don't know how to pronounce it, but I think it's like a pseudonym or something. urbn power 20,000 mAh lithium polymer battery. So on the pack it says this supports type C cables and 12 watts fast charge, travel friendly. Of course I had bought this for travel reasons only. Now let's look at the inside. Okay, this is a good thing to see. So actually most of the Amazon products we buy, I always see the made in China tag. This is also a good thing to note. This is a made in India product. It's not like I'm saying I am against buying Chinese products, but we always never go into that detail of checking whether a product is made in India or made in China. I believe there are some of my friends who are actually looking into those kind of information as well before they buy things. Not just because of the corona impact recently, but way from the beginning I have some friends who have been pretty patriotic in that aspect. Yeah, so I will see if I am missing something else in the package. I believe there is nothing else to miss here. There is an user manual, straightforward user manual, I believe. Maybe I will have a check at this, but I think this one's usage might be pretty much like we will have to charge this one, and we can at a time maybe use at least three devices to charge this one. Yeah, and this is pretty much the cable that came with this. I will have to use it and actually probably say how it works, but like from the first impression, there is another outer layer of packaging that is here. Let me remove this and see. I might have to kind of try and plug this and try to charge this and check once. Right now I don't have my charger handy with me, but I hope this one works well. I will test that. Yeah, okay, I will do one thing. I'll just quickly get a charger and then check how this works as well, friends. Okay, here we go. I got a charger as well. So I believe I will have to charge it for at least 6 hours. That is the minimum requirement we usually get. So yeah, this one has a 1-year warranty as well. I will have to see if I have to register this